Alright kiddos, here's the next tutorial. I'm going to try to do this one as quickly as possible, but talking the entire way through. If you are having trouble, slow it down yourself by clicking the slow down button. Alright, so we are needing to add a scoring system to our game. Let's start by opening up level controller, and we are going to go to our create event. And let's go all the way to the bottom of this thing, and we're going to set our score. So let's just look up score. We're going to set our score to 0. Now, our level controller should have that one, so we don't need to really worry about it. Next up, we need to open up the draw event. And we're going to draw an instant score on this one. And we want to draw this right underneath our first draw value. We want to make sure that this thing pops up on the right side in the top right hand corner of the screen. This thing specifically says it needs to be 150 pixels from the side of the room and 16 from the top. So here's how I do that thing. So to find Y, that one's really easy because we're just going down 16. Super easy. Now X, that's a little bit different because we're trying to go from the right side of the room, not the left. And I know a whole lot of you have had trouble with this one. Here's a really easy equation for it. So we're going to do room width minus 150. We're basically saying we want this to go to all the way to the other side of the room, and then we're going to take 150 away from it because that puts it 150 pixels away from that side of the room. Alright, cool. Let's move on to the next thing, OBJ bubble. So we need to make it so this thing gives us 50 points every time we kill one of them. So let's go ahead and open the collision with gamma ray, which we have already got open. We got our little pop effect here. What up, dude? What up, Mr. Billix? Okay, so we're going to drag in a set score block, one that we used before, and we're going to call 50. We're going to hit relative because we want this to add to our score every single time. Alright, let's test this game out and see how we did. Alright, so score is showing up in the right place. And it looks like we're not adding our number to the score. What did we mess up, kids? Some of you guys probably already know what it is. I do. I forgot to click this. So we are setting our score to 50, but unfortunately OBJ bubble doesn't track our score. What tracks our score is the level controller. So what I need to do is make it so that we are applying this function to OBJ level controller instead. So let's go ahead and play this. And looky there, we are adding 50. Can we do another 50? Yes, we could do so many points to this. And we're dead. Anyway, kids, have a good day.